So how does it feel to be finished?
It feels terrific. Coating this garage floor with the epoxy bond was a great idea.
Well, it looks beautiful. The garage has never looked better.
Dyco has developed an advanced epoxy coating for garage floors. It's a two-part water-based epoxy coating system that provides superior protection and durability in just one coat. Dyco has also ensured that applying the finish is extremely easy. The key to a lasting finish is preparation, so follow these instructions carefully. Examine your surface closely because not all surfaces are suitable for painting. Check your garage floor for sealant, previous paint that has been poorly bonded, concrete with signs of moisture, loose or poorly cured concrete, or concrete dust. If you suspect your floor has any of these conditions, test the surface as directed on the epoxy coating floor instruction sheet. Apply the coating when the air temperature is 60 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit and when the floor is a minimum of 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Begin by removing any oil or grease spots on the floor with a scrub brush and a degreaser or solvent like mineral spirits. Scrub the spots thoroughly and absorb excess cleaner with rags or paper towels. Rinse completely to remove all cleaner and contaminants. Next, prepare the entire surface using the concentrated cleaner included in the kit. Mix the concentrated cleaner with 2 gallons of water until all cleaner is dissolved. Use a plastic watering can to help evenly distribute the solution. Pre-wet the entire floor using a hose, and then spread the cleaner solution over the surface in 10-foot by 10-foot sections. Work the solution into the concrete using a stiff bristle brush. As each section is completed, rinse thoroughly with water, continuing to scrub with the brush to help remove dirt and contaminants out of the garage. Here's a tip. Use a squeegee to effectively move dirt and water out and speed drying time. Rinse and squeegee twice before moving on to the next section. Once all sections are completed, rinse and squeegee the entire floor to remove any cleaner that may have been tracked onto the previously cleaned areas. A wet-dry vacuum may also be used to remove excess water, dirt, and contaminants. Allow the entire surface to dry completely. Rub your fingers over the clean, dry floor. If you see any dust or powder on your fingers, repeat the rinsing and scrubbing until the floor is clean. Next, activate the epoxy coating system by pouring Part B into Part A. Stir thoroughly with the mixing stick for at least 3 minutes. After stirring, allow the material to sit for 30 minutes. This allows the epoxy coating to fully activate. Once mixed, the product must be used within 3 hours of initial mixing. Do not leave the mixed product in direct sunlight. Stir the mixture one more time before applying. Here's a time-saving tip. After 30 minutes of activation time, you can use a brush or edger to trim around the perimeter and on hard-to-reach areas. Wait until 30 minutes of activation time has passed. Then, use a roller to apply the coating in 6 by 4 foot sections. Once a section is completed, sprinkle the decorative chips over the wet surface. Continue in this manner until the entire floor is complete. Dyco Epoxy Coating is a low-odor, environmentally friendly coating, and cleanup is easy. Just use soap and water to clean up your hands and tools. The surface should be ready for light foot traffic in about 12 to 16 hours. Wait 24 to 48 hours before placing heavy items on the floor. And allow the floor to cure for 4 days before parking heavy vehicles on the surface. Epox-O-Bond can be used for garage and basement floors and is available in gray and tan. Dyco also makes a full line of protective coatings including Tough Deck, exterior concrete, opaque waterproofing acrylic silicone seal for walkways, patios, driveways, and pool decks. And Tough Coat waterborne acrylic, which provides a low sheen protective finish on concrete walks, patios, asphalt, and driveways.
It wasn't hard at all. It was so easy to apply. The garage floor has never looked better.
It sure does. Do you think we can do the basement?